Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode and stream of the game. What is it? Unreal Engine 4 game development live stream. We're back with Project Hero. So earlier today we were having problems, just in general, with the writer uh, program, the IDE. So I basically had to install like the newest version of like Visual Studio and some Microsoft C++ build tools. So I managed to take care of all that, and I believe I've taken care of the other problem where sometimes it would just not compile correctly and give me that bad image warning. So I think we're going to be good to go to make things go a little smoothly today. So today we're going to wrap up our work on the character preview screen and maybe start working on some additional HUD elements. So again, we have our pause screen, we have this. Everything looks good. So maybe we can add additional elements, I don't know, but I think this is fine for right now. We can always return back to it and review it later. We can always kind of talk about size of the preview versus all the other elements, you know, how we want the rest of the UI to look like. Excuse me. I might have to eventually get rid of the banner that we have on top, because maybe we don't need it anymore. And when I say banner, I mean on the actual stream. So let me just see what that would look like. Forget which one it's called. Let me just click on it. Okay. Oh, it's bar overlay. Yeah, maybe we don't need that anymore. Because we want to start adding elements to our UI that might be visible there, and I want you guys to kind of see that. So let's first review what we need to do. So on the stream that we did earlier, we did manage to properly handle removal of the dynamic render target. So we can say we're done here. Mark is complete. Oops. There we go. I kind of want to refactor how we do everything in terms of this render target, and by that I mean like the process of pressing J.
Hello there.
Ooh, hello Sandra, how you doing? So basically, what I want to refactor is the process from pressing the J key, which is right now what we're using to bring up this menu. I want to streamline the process so it makes it clear to me exactly what's happening, because right now it's kind of confusing. So let's kind of look at the workflow. So it all kind of starts here in the player controller. So I use it in the player controller because eventually we kind of take control away from the player character when we get into this menu. So basically we say, hey, let's create this character widget and add it to our screen. Show the widget. We're disabling input for character. Maybe we don't need to do that. Not 100% sure if we're getting rid of time dilation. Might have to be something to revisit. So I can maybe put this down. Oh boy. Okay, come on, writer. What the fuck? Now, why is this freezing? Ah, boy. Okay. Task manager. Writer. You don't seem like you're frozen, but you are. That's cool. There's always something every time I stream. Can't even do one simple thing, right? That's showbiz. Try that again. I just wanted to put a to-do. But maybe that's just too much for my computer to handle. It's not really not opening it? Ah, thank you. Okay. It opened it on this screen. So let's try that again. We were in the hero controller. Yeah, we wanted to add it there. To do. Oh no, we didn't want to add that there. We wanted to do it here with disable input. Oops. Think about whether or not we really need to disable player input. So that's that. Okay, so basically we say, hey, let's add this widget to the viewport, and it says inventory main. And inventory main and inventory preview kind of come in at the same time. And it's within this inventory preview that we are doing stuff with our level manager, which I don't think we should do here. I think it should be in the player controller as well. Or it should be in like the actual character. So I might want to refactor it there because I have some functions here, like for clearing the render target and creating the render target. So maybe we can have another function here about loading and preloading, or at least calling into the preview level manager to do all the loading and loading and everything like that. Hey, what's up, Soupy Doopy? How you doing? It's a boy? What do you mean? Are you talking about like my shaved face, or did you have a baby and it's a boy? I am a boy. I'm a man. But I think I want to create functions here in our character. To do stuff with our level manager. So instead of doing it within the character preview, so instead of doing all this nonsense, I would do it in our character instead. A man needs to wear at least 3 hoodies. Damn, I do have 3 hoodies. I can maybe pull that off. So let's make a new function. Void. Yeah, I did stream earlier. I had today off, but I was having some problems before on the earlier stream. Like, Ryder was just not able to compile things correctly. It was saying I had like a wrong MS build version. And so basically I had to install like Visual Studio 2022 version and make sure I had updated Microsoft C++ build tools, and then I was able to recompile, but it took hours. So it was kind of annoying. So what should we call this? Probably maybe, yeah, void. Yeah, it was awful. Void load preview level. And I guess we could just do a function void unload preview level. Oops. There we go. It doesn't need to take any data. No, not really. Okay. Let's generate both. I've been testing Global Illumination Light build all day and had the same amount of fun. It sounds fun. Yeah, and today is Poland's Independence Day, so that's why I had today off. All right, so I need to include the hero base. Hero game mode base. Okay, now there's a callback. Oh, get. Well, I guess I should do it here. because I need to get the character preview. So maybe that's why I did it this way. Yeah, I guess it makes sense then. Maybe I'm just, yeah, maybe I'm just being dumb. Alright, let's not worry about that then. Okay. Yep, all this nonsense. So I guess maybe I am just generally, like, okay where I stand. Today's the end of World War II? Okay. I really didn't know that. That's how much it shows I know my history. So I think I'm satisfied where I stand. So I think we can move on to like the next part of the UI that I kind of want to do. I kind of want to work on. I really should fix everything else though. So properly handle. Yeah, I fixed that one. I guess we're not going to refactor this. So perform cleanup on preview level manager class. I guess that's what, just commenting shit maybe? So here's the level manager. So on begin play, we get the current biome. That should probably, like, eventually when we have multiple biomes, I think that should be a callback to like the player and to get like their current biome and they'll update it appropriately. And then level loaded. Okay, so these are callbacks. I don't know why it's compiling all this shit now. Oh well. Alright, at least the build succeeded. So I guess we can also just call the function just so we can get the name. Okay. Okay. Where's the managers? Managers, preview there. Okay, here, what's in here that we also have these biome types, which I don't know if it should be there or not, but we can maybe put it. Oh my god, what is that? Whoops. What to do? Consider moving this somewhere else. Maybe a general hero game types beta class. Maybe. Sets default values for this blah 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 blah. So the preview actor and the character, we have stuff there. Oops. Primary function for loading the appropriate preview level. Unloading Oh, that's not really it. Whoops. Like that. That. So this is more of a callback function for when the preview level is loaded successfully. Or when the preview level is unloaded successfully, blah blah blah. Okay, that's pretty much there. Toggle preview dilation, get the name. What's the F name for the preview level to load? Okay. Yeah, we have all these functions loading. So I don't know why we have to. Because it seems like I'm getting current binome. I think that should be actually its own kind of private variable. Probably like down here. It's not gonna be const. It's gonna be what? E binome type. Biome. I guess current biome is fine. Equals E biome type. We'll just make it nothing by default. Holds the current biome the player is in. Determines which preview level to load. Okay, let's go back here. So we don't have to redefine it. Yeah, we don't have to do it on begin play because we kind of initialize it to something else. Now on here, yeah, this is where we could just say that. We have to put it to do. Yes, everything good. We need a call back to the player to determine which biome they are in. For now, we default always to forest. Blah blah blah. So we have all this. Okay. And we shouldn't have to do this. Now we're toggling dilation. Again, I'm not sure why we need to do dilation. I always forget. We should really write it down somewhere, but maybe we can get away with pause. Maybe we can get away with actually pausing the game, but allowing certain actors, preview character actor, to tick while paused. I'm curious what the repercussions are if we pause. Let me look up that function real quick. UE4 set game paused. Plus. So it's in the character? No, that can't be right. Set game paused. Woof. What is that? What kind of... Okay. Broken. Okay, there's a tutorial for pausing your game. Blah, 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 blah. So what does he do? Where's the actual pause part? P, whatever. Set game paused. Gameplay statics, I think it was. Okay. So let's quickly comment this block out. Do I have gameplay statics included in here? Yes, I do. Cool. Okay. So toggle preview time dilation. So view gameplay statics. Set game paused. Enable? Do I need world? Add a world context object. So we need to do something like this. If world So I wonder if we can get away with that. I wonder what the repercussions would be. Instead of setting time dilation. Build success. So far so good. I like that. So let's see what happens, right? Maybe one thing to check is our preview character. In the class setting, no class defaults. So tick even when paused. We'll want that. Let's see. Okay. We can do this stuff, we can do this stuff. But we can't scroll wheel. And he's not animating. So I wonder... if we can... Any pause? Tick even when paused, so let's do all of that. Out. Okay, so that worked. Okay. Okay, but my input doesn't work. And I think that's because of my controller. Maybe we can solve this. Let's fix this as well. Let's see if we could scroll wheel. Yes. Okay, so that fixed that. So we're making moves, we're going places. But yeah, this J is not working. So maybe I can go to my player controller. Tick even when paused. Okay. Oh, yeah, we don't need this anymore. Show that again, I understand. Now, so I wonder what I'm missing in order to... get that working. That would be nice. No, I got all this other input working. Just not any other one. Maybe I gotta do... So that's the hero player character. Maybe I can have him tick when I'm paused. No. I wonder, actually, if I pause, but I'm still pressing buttons on the keyboard. Oh yeah, I can't back out. Let's see. UE4 allow input when paused? Input when paused. I know there has to be something somewhere. On execute when paused won't work, but you need to set your input mode to use. Okay. Is there a way for me to do that in C++? Because yeah, you have execute when paused. Is there a way to do that by default? Project settings, input, action, the menu, yeah. Oops. Keyboard, so J, yeah, okay. I wonder. That's interesting. Okay. So input. UE4 C++ input when paused. So accepting player input was closed, so maybe there's an answer. A duplicate post. We found a solution. You have to make when pause with a command like this, so. Okay, so it's like an extra parameter, it seems. So let's go into code. Let's save. So let's go to our controller. In our binding. So we found a solution. You have to make the input thing. Okay, so you write it like that. That's interesting. I didn't know that. Well, let's just see if it works. Okay. Let's see. J. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. So now we can have it paused. That's nice. Can individual, like, actual assets, like, say for this, for example, this particle, is there like a pause? No. I guess I have to make it like an actual blueprint. So, just to kind of tell you what I'm, just to see, open level, 0, apps, character preview for sunny day, there. Something like this. So where did it create this? Okay. Let's say blueprints under here. This over here. And then we can just say, click when paused. Place. Back to our test map. You could just turn real time off. What do you mean? Okay, so that didn't work. Maybe I have to do the particle system. Pause. Tick when paused. Because I would like to have this thing rendering fire even when it's paused. Yeah, there we go. I want the particles to actually play even if the game's paused. So now we can give this like background scene a little more, making it a little more interesting. Yeah, that's kind of cool. I guess. Where am I? Unlit. Do something like this and. Control B. Maybe we can add that here. Dust. When paused. Let's see what it looks like. That looks nice. I would love an artistic opinion because I'm not very good with art, so I would love to have any kind of feedback about what I'm doing. Guess I would need a light as well for the fire. Maybe I can add that into the level itself. Something like that, maybe? Maybe darker. Maybe not as bright. Let's compile that. I put the light in front of the character. Currently, the character is in the shade and low contrast. Yeah, I was trying to figure out why that was. I'm wondering if it's because, in this scene, I don't want there to be a second directional light or anything. Maybe I can fake sunlight with not the point light, but the spotlight or something. Lift up it a little bit so it casts light on the surroundings. Currently shot from the rocks, shadows, everything else to make this resource not intersecting. Okay. Lift it up. Currently the shot from the rocks, shadows, everything. Also make the source radius not intersecting. Well, okay. So Something like that. Maybe a little better. Try putting the campfire in front of the guy. Well, I don't want the campfire to be in front of the character because it's gonna obscure the it's gonna obscure your vision of the character, and I want you to be able to like preview your character and stuff like that. Okay, that, and increase the intensity. Maybe something like that. I guess I can convert this to a spotlight, right? Because it's going to be during the day. Yeah, it could be because of the like lighting channel. Let's try. Because maybe I forgot to change something in the lighting channels. Let me add one to it. Yeah, it's a lighting channel issue. Okay. Landscape. There we go. It's some legacy things. I was trying things with separate lighting channels and stuff like that. Intensity maybe 50. Outer cone angle or inner maybe 40 and then 90. Hard to tell without the surrounding. Are you talking about the intensity of the spotlight? Yeah. No, I won't make the source radius that big. Next world, cast shadow. I don't know if I should use temperature or not. Let's just build lighting again, and then we'll just see what it looks like. $4,600. Okay. Okay, boom. It's fine that the grass is gone for now. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, that does look a lot better. Maybe I can make it more intense for the sunlight, like the spotlight. But that looks good, I think. I don't know what you guys think. Oh, Slack. Bye-bye. Why is Slack even working right now? God damn it. Okay. Oh, we're getting conflict of interest. Let's see if that looks okay. Well, you can definitely see the low quality of the mountain. So I think it needs to be pushed back more. Uh-oh. Okay, so the game doesn't unpause, so we broke something. So we'll have to fix that in a second, but let's push this mountain back. Maybe down and back. I'm gonna assume that's gonna work. But we have to fix the unpausing. So level loaded, pause, true. So it looks like this level unloaded callback is not being called. Let's just put a breakpoint there and see what happens. Put a bunch of grass on it, it'll be fine, but I think it's good. Yeah, I mean, since it's a static mesh, am I even able to like put grass on it? Like I can't use the foliage tool, can I? Maybe I could. So let's take a look. Okay. It's not there anymore? Okay. Alright, so yeah. This unloaded thing just never gets called. So that's something I want to look at. So level unloaded. So I have the callback execute function level loaded. And then here does that get called? I should really stop what's the term? Stop closing out of the editor. Maybe there's a misspelling or something that I'm just not seeing at the moment. Let's go back to our preview. Why is it? It's there. But okay. Why? Why is it not there? Okay, so it does get called. Curious, very, very much curious why. There's the mountain. Hello. Yeah, so it should be visible. What the fuck? Eject. God, this is so disorienting. Oh, God. Okay, so just in general, that's very weird. I don't think I changed anything. Let me just bring it fucking closer. Just see what the damage is. Okay, it's there now. Okay. Alright, I really gotta figure out. Oh, there is a length limit for render targeting. You are right. You are right. Good call. I have, yeah, max view distance. I didn't override it. So I don't know why that's not working. Bar clipping plane. Well, I don't have clip plane enabled. I don't know if that makes a difference. That's very interesting. I've got to figure out this. I got to figure out this callback thing. So that should be correct. Lane info linkage. Maybe I have to make this 1. I don't think that makes a difference either. But we'll see. Maybe we would have to. Maybe we'd have to look it up on Google. Okay. J, then J. No. And we have these callbacks. Level loaded is what it's saying, right? That gives me the function. It says level loaded. But the unload just doesn't work. Let's try to figure out why. Before, how do I want to ask this question? Unload stream level. Callback function not working. Okay, so it's not throwing callback. Okay. Stalled. It seems that only in Pi the unknown function never really completes. What? How is that stalled? Now I can't test this in Pi? Woof. So I literally have to switch to like standalone game? That's not a solution. Okay, so that's not even the solution. Okay, great. So no, you suck. Unload level does not trigger action. So issues with it being 0, which I don't believe they are anymore. Oh, this one's 0. Okay. But I feel like that maybe something was overriding incorrectly. Let's just make sure they're completely two different non-zero values. Maybe that's the key that's missing. Oh, my neck. Okay. Let's try this again. No, not standalone game. I, J, no. Okay. Let's just try this as well in standalone game, just to be sure. J. No. Cool. So no, not the answer. So handling level streaming through C++. Does this guy have an example? Oh, get streaming level, blah, blah, blah. He's doing that. Oh, he makes it an F name explicitly. Maybe I have to do that too. Okay, thanks Overwatch for letting me know. So, F name. Maybe I just have to be explicit. I really don't think so, but why not? Let's make linkage 0. I don't even know what linkage does. Combat target, all that. This is incredibly frustrating. I don't know what I'm not understanding. Yeah, they're both the U functions, blueprint callable. Have that. Woof. Not sure. Let me just change this name to level loaded. Let's see if it just calls that again. Like, we'll see the U log if it works. Otherwise, it's just a broken thing inside of Unreal. Unless, like, it's actually not unloading it correctly. Which maybe is a thing. So J, we have these things. So we have level loaded. Yeah. Okay, so no, that doesn't work. Now, is it because of the way I have the level set up? Premium method, blueprint. You know. What things do I have? View gameplay statics, stream level. So unload. Unload stream level. Okay, that's just, I don't know, I'm kind of hitting a brick wall. And there's really nothing I can see online. UE4, C++, unload stream level, callback, not working. There's another one with the load. So they're like, yeah, this is still bullshit. So he's using 424. Unload info and true. I have to make this true. I doubt it. But okay, this like maybe put this back to level unloaded. Excuse me. Let me ensure I get the spelling right. Okay. This will be my last attempt, and then maybe we'll just have to move on. The only way to fix this is just to not get the call back. J. No. Okay. Cool. Cool beans. This is bullshit. Alright. So. We can. Well, that's loading. Unloading. Okay. I wonder if this is fixed in later versions of the engine, like 427 or something. Be nice to know. Fingers crossed. I guess we can look at the mountain issue. Yeah, see, it's okay. Okay, and this thing. Yeah, it just... Alright, so it's not even unloading yet. Okay. Jesus Christ. So we do have to keep it. We'll just add it to do. We need to figure out why it doesn't unload. Doesn't execute the callback function. We be all over the place today. I guess with the mountain there, we can clearly see if it's actually unloading the level correctly. Oops. So right now, we're good. We have the sun, right? Yeah, so it does successfully unload it. So I do want to work on I kind of want to have a Skyrim-like map on the screen, you know, the thing that like kind of goes across the top a little bit, changes based off of your look direction and things like that. So I don't know if I want to explicitly watch a tutorial on how to do this. But we want to do a couple things. By default, I don't know what you mean by diagram map. Maybe we mean the same thing. Diagram map. No. Skyrim HUD direction map. Let's see if I can find an image. So basically, this thing on the top. So maybe I can find a tutorial. UE4. I should really... Let's do it up here. UE4. Skyrim. Direction UI. Tutorial. I guess, yeah, compass. That's more or less. Okay, so we need... yeah, obviously we need something in Photoshop. Let me pause the music and...
A marker and obviously some compass points. It's quite a high resolution. 5400 by I think 60. So fairly big image.
So what would be the best way to like convert this into units? Because, you know, you have 90 degrees in between each major compass point, right? And that's 4 points each to make 360. So like, do we want to have a space between each one to be a quarter? So that would be 15. No, it would be... What's... I can't do math. Okay. So 90 divided by 5 is that. So 90 divided by 4 is 22.2, 22.5 degrees. What's a clean divide? 6. So maybe like north and then boom, 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 like 6. I don't know what you mean with vector 4.
Simple card without canvas. The 3 files. So here we have. We want to put our dots.
So he's doing it by so north. And that's 45. Dots in between. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So somehow we have to map direction into, like, I'm assuming he's got to use a scroll box. It's we need to scroll in between all these things. Dun dun dun. So he's gonna do some sort of fake tick. So he's setting the position. Okay. So I wonder. No worries. It's hard for me to even think about too. Let me lower the music in my head. There we go. So I think first things first. Maybe I can find an image online. So flat directional compass PNG. No. Horizontal. Maybe I could just type in Skyrim. Well, that's nice, but like, where the fuck is south? I guess I can use this as a reference, though. So, let's do some math. Try compass bar UI. Okay. Compass bar UI PNG. I get the same result there. I have that. I don't see anything. There is this stuff. I guess I can just make my own. But again, we need to do some math. Basically, you want to split it up into 15 degrees, right? So 360 divided by 15 is 24. And maybe I want to make each 15 degree thing be like 30 pixels? So times 30. 720. Okay, so definitely more than 30 pixels. 24 times 60. Wow. I did divide it. So 24 times 60. 14. Okay. I do 19, 20 divided by 24. It's 80. Okay, so maybe 80 pixels is what we want to do. File, new. So with 1920, and we'll say 64. That looks okay. So don't judge my Photoshop skill. So this layer will be background. Make another layer. Yeah, this will be main directions, and we'll do another one. Um, 15 degree markers or something. Background for now, it's gonna be, I don't know, 30%. No, 80%. Should be okay. Background, maybe we can make a border. $19.20 by before. Okay. Okay, whoops. Okay, that's fine. Make it, I guess we have to what, rasterize this? Oops, 100%. Do not judge my Photoshop skills. Oh, can I update my... Like, how can I... like, do a good selection tool of, like, a certain radius around it? Like that. Not the best, whatever. Okay, so that's a border. Now main directions. Or should I say dashes. What does the Skyrim one look like? Not much. Maybe we don't need dashes. Maybe we don't need. So let's do north in the direct middle. Jesus Christ. Okay. 20? Definitely not. Well, maybe. N for north. You can probably find a more interesting font. Should move this somewhere more visible. They're like a fantasy font. That's interesting. I can use these wingdings for icons, maybe. We'll do 16. I think that looks okay. So transform. So do more math. So 1920 divided by 2 minus 23.7. So 90. This should be the position. Ah. So that's dead in the middle. Guess I should make a folder, call this directions. In north. Then like that. Yeah, north. And then now I had to like never eat sour watermelon. So this one we'll do north, east, and then basically we just gotta add 80 to it. So I wonder, can I just do plus 80? Oh wait. So 1920. So wait, it was 15 degrees per thing, right? Times 24 is 360. So that would mean it would be I don't know, where the fuck did I get the 80 from? So maybe it has to be double. Plus another 80. No. Do another plus 80. Plus 80. I feel like that feels right. I really don't know how this should look, honestly. So NE. Or should I not even worry about like these omnidirectional points? All right. Let's include them and we can always take them out. So then east. I think I did plus 360. So now I don't know. I don't know why this is so complicated in my. All right. Let's step back or wind it back. Minus 80. East. Minus 80. Okay. Then we'll do southeast. And I guess we gotta do what? Plus 160? No. Yeah. No. We would do plus another 80. Plus another 80. Okay. Ah. Minus 936.3. So 240 is the difference, okay. So let me put this back here. Plus 240. That doesn't look right. Plus, I don't know, 40. That looks a little better. So SE. Put this here. Plus 160. Plus 40. Plus 20. It's another 20. Press Control R. What does Control R do? Control R. Oh. Ruler. I forgot about this. I mean, is there a way to... Does that look the same? Is there a way to tell now, like, the difference here? So 960. Oops. Okay. So I guess I could just read it. Maybe I just generally need to make this thing longer. So, the 1920. Maybe I could just do a power by 2. So 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024, 2048. 148 plus, we'll do 128. There. Did that look evenly spaced? Just do south. South, honestly, it's gonna go. Maybe I've been thinking about this the wrong way. As well. Let me just save this. Art. UI. Compass. Okay. Compass. I just call this compass. Because maybe I need two different things. Maybe I need the border as one thing. Let me save this. No. So copy that, and channel, make an alpha like that. Leave as, we'll say compass underscore border. And file, save as, should it be a targa? I always got used to saving them out as targas. UI, compass, textures, import, hero game, hero, art, blah, 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 blah. And then border, targa, save. Okay, that looks right. Compression settings. I guess we want user interface, texture group, UI. Let's see, blueprint, no, user interface widget, BP, UI, directional compass. Don't know if it needs to be a material or not. Let's grab image. Compass border, size the content. Okay. So yeah, that needs to be smaller. So what's 1920 divided by 2, 960. 960 by 64. And then anchor to the top. Alignment 0.5, no, not 0.5. We'll do 0. And then position Y, maybe we could say 120, no, 64. 32. Okay. Border. Now, rollbacks. Style, bar style. Has to be something, so it's gonna be horizontal. Scroll bar visibility. You consume mouse wheel, never. Blah blah. Allow over scroll, yeah. Now, can I put anything as the border? Or do I literally have to have a border? A scroll box in the border. Maybe that's what I need. Brush, boom. Okay, again, I think it's 960. 960 by 64. Whoops, that's not the way. 960 by 64. Anchor. Let me get rid of this border. 0, 64, sure. 1, no, 0.5, and 0. Alright, so we're kind of the same. So scroll box now. Let's do some padding. So we'll do 16 on each. Not too much. 8. Perfect. I think that looks okay. Maybe 4 on the left and right. There we go. That looks decent. So now we do the rest. Get rid of the alpha. Layers. Border gone. Directions and background. Let's just do a quick test with an incomplete one and see what it looks like. So save as. We'll just do Targa, compass, main. Textures, import, compass main. Save. Okay. Scroll box. Horizontal background image. This. Draw as image. Styling. Horizontal. Okay. Let me remove this. Okay, so it's not drawing anything. That's the bar style. That's why. How do I undo all that? Okay. With normal thumb? No. Thought it would be like this. Tiling, no tiling. No tile. Box, no. Okay, so nothing's really working. Maybe we do need to watch that tutorial. Yeah, for some reason, it's just not showing how I would have thought it was going to show. I guess that's the thumb. So that's just generally properties that I was not right about. Maybe there's information on that. UE4. Use image in scroll box. Okay, 404. Nothing. No. Curses and cranberries. Unless I could do an image and put it in the scroll box. And then put this into the border. Kind of. Maybe no shadows. I would have thought background image would have been what I wanted, but I guess not. None. 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 And all none. But why is this not stretching all the way? Yeah, I don't think a scroll box is gonna be good. So let's put image. Okay. That's not gonna work either. I wonder.
Yeah, if this is at all confusing, just see how this looks when you don't do value.
I guess I'll have to watch this tutorial.
This one's updating, but the thing though is to make it, actually work like a compass, and that's pretty much it. And yeah, we can rename these things just so that we know what we're doing.
So he has this a canvas panel within a canvas panel. Okay. Maybe I can have a canvas panel within this border. And then this could be, what's the size of this image? Size 2176. Oh no, that's not what I wanted. No. This is hard. I don't know what to do. Trixie. Guess we can start from the beginning.
It's a little like
Oh, that's his marker thing. Okay.
by, I think 60.
He's got a very large other thing.
Stretch outside in our
So he's got a campus panel.
and that'll be what we need. Oh, it's the two files. We'll do the objective marker afterward.
So he puts those two in.
So this is our marker. Remind us 23 by 120, and this is. And we want to put our dots, our compass points, in the canvas. So just click and drag onto our embedded canvas here. And then with our canvas selected, let's head down to clipping and change the clipping to bounds.
Oh, it clips to bounds. Okay. Image. Blah. Blah. And then this is what? I guess I could look in the editor, huh? 2176 by 64. Clipping, clip to bounds. No. This one. Okay. I guess I gotta put position. To get a calculador. 2176 divided by, whoops, divided by 2, so 1088. Not quite. Oh boy. I guess I could just do that. No, wait, 2176. And then I move this. I'm dumb. Okay. So I want this to be 64, so this needs to be like, I don't know. 16, that's maybe 80? Four by 4. Maybe something like that for now. But yeah, it definitely needs to be generally, I think, smaller. But the letter should be smaller. Guess I gotta do them one at a time. We'll do 12. This is very difficult to understand what I'm doing. Like that. Okay. So I'm kind of curious what does this image look like? Does he have any information? Assets download. Okay, let's take a look at his assets. We're not gonna steal it explicitly. I just want to see how his is set up. So that's nothing. Compass points. What the hell? All right. So he goes northwest. So he goes south, southwest, west, northwest, north, northeast, east, southeast. So he's got north in 2 places. Interesting. Okay. Let me see. Properties. It doesn't tell me the size. Yeah, that makes sense. So 5,400 by 60. Okay. So let's get as close to 5,400 as possible. So calculator 4096 plus 1024 plus 256 plus 16. Okay, so it is a power of 2. Like mathematically, it's like that. So, okay. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. All this stuff is stretchy, so let's forget it. Let's start over. Whoops. What are these white points? Oh man, that's stretched pretty bad. So background. Background back in again. Background. Believe the music stop. Okay, like that. I think we made it 80. So boom. That's cleaner. So the spacing. So 5,400 divided by what, like 24? Alright, how do I get rid of these rulers? Do I just do Control R again? No, okay. I don't know how to get rid of those. But okay. So text. So N for north, and I guess it can be back up to 16. Maybe even more. Or let's try 18. Make it white. Oops. Okay, there we go. So for him, don't know why it doesn't show like that. Edit photos. No, Northwest is first, so maybe it's best just go left to right. Northwest. We'll just do that. Did I drag something incorrectly? Okay, no. North. Can I just do this? So like that, I think is fine. Maybe up a little more. That, and that's fine. So basically in between, so I believe it's 45 degrees in between, so it's 22.5 spacing that he's doing, right? So 5400. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Divided by 13. Divided by 2. So 208? Maybe? So north. So 208. No. 416. No. 624. Maybe. North. Then northeast. So plus 624. Let's just see what we end up with, I guess. East. Plus 624. I don't know my directions very well. Southeast. Plus 624. South. Whoops. Fingers crossed we'll get this. Southwest Airlines. Plus 624. West. Okay, so we're definitely wrong in these distancing. Because west, yeah, it's not even close. All right, whoops. We'll keep going. So it's gonna be what, northwest? Okay. So we'll do 400. We'll see what this looks like. So 1200. 1,000. 400. 800. 3,200. Now we gotta do north again. $3,600. Northeast. Okay. $1,000. I feel like I'm missing something. Northeast. East. Oops. $4,400. East. I know how to mathematically do this now. I'm kind of just dumb. And then southeast. So we got all directions after this. East. 4,800. Alright. So the whole image, what? 5,400? So we got 1, 2. So wait, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I think we did that math before. 5,400 divided by 13. Whoops. Whoops. So 415. So we'll do 415. So this is that. So we were close. 415. So 415 times 2. 14 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 times 7 times 8 9 times 10 11. Did I do the math wrong? Oh my god. Oh yeah, I forgot to change this. Why did I count 13? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What? How am I this dumb? Maybe I gotta do like 212. No. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I guess it's because this is 0. Woof. Okay. Maybe it's 425? So then 840, right? 0. 425, 850, just because I can't do math, times 3, times 4, 5 times 6 times 7 times 8 times 9 times 10 11 12. Okay, I think the best way to figure this out is to do, we'll say 440, and then here, we'll do 440 times 12, till we get to the edge. More or less. So maybe 441. So 441 times 12. Okay, 442 times 12. Four 43 times 12. Okay. That looks good. So it's 443. This is 443. Four 443 times 2. Times 3. 4. It's 5. 6. Times 7. Times 8. 9 times 10 times 11. See if that works. Alright, I think that's as best as it's gonna be. Let's save. Let's resave as Targa. Main. Fine. Import. So northwest to southeast. Let me just import his as well. I just want to make sure it's what I think it is. Yeah, northwest, the southeast. Okay. We're fine. Delete it. Let's hit 400. Cool. Now, so does it matter where you put it in? Okay. So now I guess I'll just watch the rest of this tutorial, see how he has it set up, and then we can maybe convert it to code. Size doesn't matter, okay? It's the motion of the ocean. Also, yeah, I think we don't need this background. Actually, don't need the background. Just copy all that, go into the channels. Oops. Oops. How do I make a proper, like, mask, though? Alright, let's forget about the alpha. Let's just see what happens when I save it back out. I definitely think we need a mask. Like an alpha mask, but... Re-import. Yeah, see, it's all white. Oh, yeah. I don't know exactly how to make properly make an alpha channel with when there's like letters like that. So Photoshop, make alpha channel for text. I got what? So, control left click, southeast. Oh boy, I need to look at this tutorial. Click the channels palette. And click the save selection as channel icon. Okay. Channels palette. Okay. That button doesn't work. Okay, great. Don't need that image anymore. Need a better tutorial. Oh, it's actually a visual tutorial, so we can watch it. Okay.
In Photoshop. Or control-click the text icon in the Layers palette to select all active pixels.
So I gotta click the actual T? Okay. Okay, do I have to do it all? Or do I have to combine them all? I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna do something dangerous. Let me just save. I rasterize the type. And then do that. No. Oh boy. Oh boy. File, open recent. Sure. I don't want to save changes. Open recent. Compass border. Okay. It's kind of confusing that I can't do like multiple at the same time. Unless I do something like that. No. Oops. Make out for multiple text. Okay. Ugh, no information. We do purchase smart object. Seems like it worked. Okay. Revert. Deselect everything. Let's try it again. Okay. I think that might have worked. Revert smart object. Revert to smart object. Yay. Okay. Import. Okay. Nice. Let's put an image again. This one, let's put it this way. Background. Compass. Background. To 0.8. Black. Do that. I feel like it should be more opaque than that. Okay, we'll try 0.4. I guess we'll also do oh, sorry, Sandra, for not I'm like half paying attention to what I'm saying. I'm not paying attention too well to the chat. Maybe a blur strength 1, maybe enough. Okay. So that looks okay. you know, baby steps, we might be able to improve this. Let's just add this to our screen and see how it looks. So I guess we can go into the player controller, right? And on begin play. We'll probably want to do something like this, where like UI. Want to do like? I guess it's under. It's gonna be under Hero main UI, right? So we don't even have the Hero main UI anywhere. Guess we should put that back up. Reference viewer? Alright, it's not referenced anywhere. So I guess we could just do... something like this for now. Okay, there we go. Honestly, we don't really want to worry about health bars or anything like that. So maybe we'll just hide that stuff for now. Now, compass. So that might be too large. Definitely too large. We could definitely shrink that. And for some reason that UI is still showing up. Not sure why it's so weird. Like, why is it fucked up in this kind of viewport? And then okay here. Let's just look at standalone. So it's fucked up in standalone. Well, it's always stuck. It was fucked up. What the hell? Oh, selected viewport. Yeah, we shouldn't even see it extend that far, even when it's full screen. I don't know what I was thinking. Do I have to do anything with clip? Like clip to bounds? Maybe size the content. Whoops. Let's just see what that looks like. It's still fucked up. Not sure why. Why it's fucked up. What does he say?
And it's set properly for our marker. Just play bounds of the. So just click and head down to clipping and change the clipping to bounds. That way, as you can see, our compass is staying within the bounds of the camper.
Okay. Interesting. Alright, let me put just the compass. I'm curious if it breaks when it's the compass. No, it doesn't. Well, yes, it does. That's interesting. I think we might have to do like 48. Maybe that's better. I'm just talking more about the general size of the border and everything. Let's try 32. I wonder if that's readable. I think we can maybe go to 40 and it'll look okay. I think that looks okay. Now we gotta change this. Image size 40. So now the text is all fucked up. Ugh. Oh well. Let's just see what it looks like. I know it's gonna be bad, but whatever. Import. Still no? Oh, do I also have to change this? 40. $32? Yeah. So a little better. Obviously, I gotta figure out the clipping part. And I gotta make the text smaller. I guess. Ah. Oh my god. Rasterize and goodbye. Okay, so we gotta start again. Okay. Give ourselves a background just so we could see everything. Okay, background. I believe it was 442 in between. I guess let's have the editor open so we can look at the previous file. We're on the verge of greatness. I'm sure of it. Okay, so Northwest is first. Move this shit. Oh boy. So, Northwest. And this is gonna be 12, maybe? Definitely smaller. Let's try 8. Maybe 6. 7. Fuck it. And then I guess it has to be 0. Okay. Then we're gonna have 13 in total. We'll do all the hard math stuff first. I believe that's 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So now we do math. So 442 times 1. Let's zoom out. That's too much. So 442 times 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Whoops. Okay, let's just see. Not perfect. Okay, fuck. But let's just look. Again, we'll see if this says Targa, main, whatever. Yes. Oh, go back in here. Port. So I think that looks good. Like honestly, we're gonna fix everything. But in terms of size, I think we're good. I think it could be moved up a little bit more. Compass. Okay. Well, let's answer this question again. Is it 443 times 12? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, okay. 444 times 12? 446? 446, okay. 446, whoops. 446 times 2, no, times 1. Oh boy. Five. This is very bad Photoshop skills. So that's that. Now we gotta put the actual directions correctly this time. I shouldn't have re-imported it. Now I lost my work. We gotta look back at the original image. Files, open, photos. Okay, so the northwest north northeast east southeast oops south west west northwest north northeast east southeast. Okay. Get rid of the background. Maybe I can do a duplicate of this. So directions. Smart object. That way I don't lose everything next time. Smart object. Copy. Paste. Save. I'll save as. Arga. Main. Yes. Yes. Compass. Textures. Re-import. Okay. Now let's look. Alright, it's coming together pretty well. Now, see, we can make things a little fancier if we wanted to, but I don't think it's necessary right now. I'm debating whether or not I'll need to hide any kind of UI elements, or if it's okay if I pause it like that. I think it'll be okay. But I gotta figure out why the clipping isn't working. Clip to bounds. Did that do anything? No. Stabilization, clipping, clip to bounds. Everything clip to bounds. Clip to bounds. What does this do? Clip to bounds. Nothing. If I do a standalone game, yeah, it still gets fucked up. Why is it not clipping to bounds correctly? I don't know. UE4, UMG, flip 2 bounds, not working. Yeah, so set size and set position. Okay. Desired. Be like that. Still no. What am I doing in the player controller? Fired on screen. J. Click the bounds advanced. There we go. Okay. So we answered that. So I guess we gotta continue next time. We've been streaming for a little while. Guess maybe one of the last things I want to do. That though. This campus panel. Let's not that. There we go. That should look okay. And we gotta make the border probably more interesting. And yeah, we could also add like a central positioning marker, kind of like how he has. But it's kind of coming together. Like maybe it could be smaller. I don't know. But we'll revisit it next time. We'll definitely want to get the scaling right because I think it'll affect our math. So we'll have to keep that in mind. That looks pretty decent. Stat, FPS, everything good. In general, it looks decent. Alright, cool. So let's do what we usually do at the end of these things. Before, what did we work with in terms of code? Where's our source? Here now, we are in source. Definitely not in game mode. We definitely did stuff in controller. Character. Stuff in UI. Inventory. We character preview? No. Nothing else in debug menu. Good. Level manager. Okay. Finished character preview. For now. Whip directional compass UI. Let's go to GitHub. Directional compass UI. Domain. Do-do-do-do. We'll push it, and we're done. I think. Well, no, it's 330 objects. Why? Why? Oh no. Resolve them deltas, bro. Alright, we're all good. Alright, so that's where we're going to be ending it tonight. Thanks everybody for watching, I appreciate it. I don't know if I'll stream tomorrow. Maybe I'll do some gaming this weekend. I'll probably stream a little bit, so keep an eye out for that. But that's gonna be it. Thanks guys, have a good night. See you soon.